Hey everybody, let's do another report in GA4 using the Google Merch Shop. So this is a demo account that you can find just by going to Google search, typing in GA4 demo account, Google Merchandise Shop, and you can follow along with me. Let's head over to the Explore section of the reports. Click on Freeform. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a loyalty report. Right, so this is going to show loyalty status, website behavior. Right, so let's do that again. I got a little click happy. So go to Explore, and then Freeform. Okay, great. So let's modify this. Let's get rid of all this stuff so we can start from scratch. Just Xing out everything, just so follow along with me. I just want to show you everything from the ground up, and so that no other things here confuse us. It's always a good thing to kind of start from scratch rather than trying to rebuild what's already there. So in the variables section, I've cleared away everything, and equally so in the settings section, the thing that modifies the variables, we want to clear away everything here. Now we don't have anything. It's just a freeform report. The visualization is set to table. Nice. Okay. So in the dimensions area, we are going to add something, and it's going to be called member level. Whoops, member underscore level. Find that in the Google Merch Store under dimensions, and there you go. Now drag it over to the other green area here under rows. Wait until that rectangle shows up as you drag it. Not showing up. There it is. There's a rectangle. Drag it over. Good. And then the next step here, right, is to go to metrics. Now we want to segment out the or we want to divide up the various types of member tiers into active users. So search for active users. Search for transactions. Okay, also search for revenue. Gross purchase revenue is fine in this case. Now I can go ahead and add these over here under values. So I'm just dragging them when that rectangle shows up. I know that it can be dragged over. And here we have it. So we've got member level, we got not set, which we can fix, gold, platinum, diamond, silver, and then platinum again. So there's some issues maybe with the implementation, right? We shouldn't be seeing not set or this weird blank one. Maybe it was collecting data during a time when the implementation wasn't right. But really, I want to see just these four: gold, platinum, diamond, silver. So at the bottom here, you can go to filters and you can clean it up. So you can say member level needs to exactly, you could actually say does not contain not set. Good, so there, that went away. Then you could say member level does not contain okay, nice. How do we get rid of this blank one? Okay. So the last one I did was member level does not contain platinum because two versions of platinum were showing up. And then member level, how about this? Does not match regex space. Does that work? Nope. Member level. You know what we could do this in reverse. We could say member level exactly matches silver, and member level, where is it? Exactly matches gold. Whoops. Oh, you can only do one at a time. Interesting. Silver. That doesn't work. Okay. Okay, so I'll just negative out everything. Member level. Does not contain, not set. Member level does not contain. Okay, so that cleans it up a little bit. Nice. Now I wonder, is there a way to just do 4? Instead of 5? Does not look like it. I'm pretty happy with that though, because we can probably solve this by adjusting the date. There we go. November 1st to 2nd, it looks like there weren't any invalid entries of member level. Let's try, I don't know, from the 1st. Let's try from October, Thursday to Thursday maybe. There we go. I'm good with that. There you have it. So gold, platinum, diamond, silver. You can rearrange those by adjusting the filter. Or sorry, by oh no, this is appropriate because it's sort of organizing it based on active users. There you go. Clicking here allows you to make it go from ascending or descending. So hopefully that's helpful, and hopefully you were able to follow along and kind of do some debugging with me. And if that's helpful, comment, like, and subscribe, and see you later. Thanks. Bye.